Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Jenny's, aka Crazy Country Couponer. And well, I got the wrong sales paper. Yeah. Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Jenny's house, and come on in. We're going to talk about the end of the 2-day sale and the beginning of some awesome deals. And you know you want to know. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you just, well, stopping by to have a little look, well, you don't want to miss nothing at any time, because we always have good stuff, free stuff, and awesome information. So look below and hit that subscription button. Let's go ahead and take care of that right now. That way you'll be notified and you won't miss a thing. Make sure all your notifications are on out that bell, and that way you're all set. Thank you very much and welcome. And glad to have another crazy friend. So everybody, a 2-day sale on Sunday and Monday. Like I said, I've been wrapped up with my job, and we still have, well, today. Oh, that's just so funny. Look, if you can get to the store before closing, you've got $1 savings on Sparkle, and you got $1 coupon that's attaching. So that is $3.95 for some Sparkle, guys. So you know I'll be heading up there shortly. So that's some of your 3-day sale. Let's see some of your more 3-day sale. I don't think we're missing a whole lot on this 3-day sale. You've got $6 Arm & Hammer. Well, that's the regular price. It's not a sale. Your box fan, if you need a box fan, though, that's $15, regularly $24. We've got an instant savings of $5 on a $45 folding table. The juice for $2.50. It's regularly $3.50, so you're saving $1. And there was a coupon on that. I'm not sure if there still is or not. And then you got the Clover Valley cereals. And before I would do that, I'd use my coupons and get some Post cereals or something of that nature. Now, if you need a like a Swiffer mop or a cotton mop, we've got the instant savings of $2. Now, that's it for that 2-day sale. We've got these Kellogg's 4 for $8, and that includes the PopTarts. We've got a digital coupon for $1 off of 2, I think. Or it might be 3, but either way it goes, it'll work for this. So you would get 4 items for $7, guys. Not a bad deal at all. Now let's talk about this Ajax BOGO coupon that we have. It's kind of sort of glitching. But only if you want to get a bottle of Ajax and a bottle of Palmolive. Now your Ajax is more expensive than your Palmolive. But when you go to ring this up, if you will put up your Ajax first, it's going to give you that item for free instead of the Palmolive, okay? It's going to give you the $4.35 off instead of the other. Now, earlier we talked about that $20 earn coupon, and we still have those PG bonus coupons in place. Now, you could actually do an entire $30 game deal. Get your extra 5 off, so it would actually be $25 out of pocket. And it would be, you know, you get more than that because, of course, you've got all these game coupons. But a $25 out of pocket game deal, and you should get your $5 back, as well as another step towards that $20 earn. Okay, now it is Q&A time. This is going to be one of those videos where I answer some questions for some new folks. And we've got several questions about the spend and the earn, because we know that not everybody has the spend cash or the earn ability yet on their app. And how you find it out if you do is go to the App Store and see if there's an update available for your Dollar General app. But don't do it today, because right now there seems to be some sort of glitch going on that if you update your Dollar General app, you're losing your coupons. So if there's anything on there that you want to use this week on your account, don't do it this week, just in case, okay? In case the update clears your account. Now, if you don't care if it clears your coupons off your account, then yeah, go right ahead and update it. But when I did mine, that's not standard practice for it, because when I did mine, all my coupons were there. Now, question number 2 that I had was, has anybody had this happen on an update, lost all their coupons? They were gone when it came back up. Yes, I did have that happen to me again last week. I signed out and signed back in, and they were back. So, try that. Now, this is what the cashback section of your app kind of looks like. It's under or in your wallet. Now, if you have cash in your account, it will come up here. This is the website, by the way, guys. I can't get into the app right now, so this is just a visual to kind of give you an idea. But this would be where your spend money would be, where the dollar amounts are. And to spend it, you would click on the yellow box, and it's going to come up looking just like this. It is a DG gift card. And you can use these at the self-checkout. You do not need to go to the cashier. And if she tells you she doesn't know how to do it, tell her it's simply a gift card. All she's got to do is do it like a gift card and scan it. It is a DG digital gift card. Now, once you get the ability, like I say, to get earns, you will get the spend cash, and it will go into your little account and show up top in the little black box. As well as your spend offers will show up below, just like your coupon offers. And of course, you've seen on previous videos what earned coupons look like. You do have to clip them just like you clip your coupons, okay? Now, let me tell you a little bit more. When you're using your earns coupons, digital coupons are not supposed to stack, okay? So this is where we're getting to use our digital coupons and getting to use the earn back. That is a glitch. So, and then of course, what is a glitch? Well, a glitch is a coupon or offer that's not working correctly, and it's working in our favor, and we're taking advantage of it. That's what a glitch is. So this is a digital glitch. Don't worry anything about that glitch. You just go in, do your deal, put your phone number in, and voila, be on your way. You start collecting your spend money, or your spend cash, then you're going to look like this. You'll have a little bank account up top, and then a list of the earned cash that you received, okay? And how you spend it is, like I said before, you click on the yellow button, and your gift card's going to come up, and you can either have your Dollar General scan it, or your cashier scan it, or you can use your self-checkout. That's the great thing about this spend part of this app. You don't have to have a cashier. You can use your own self-checkout and just scan the gift card yourself. Where it says how to pay, and you say card, it's going to ask you what kind of card, go gift card. So, really super easy. So that's how you get your spin. That's how you use your spin. Now, as I said before, this spin app is glitching because you're not supposed to be able to get earned cash back if you use a digital coupon. And it is not working with all your cash back offers either. So always, scan and make sure you got the coupon and the digital glitch cash back. And since it is a glitch, they can stop at any time. It can get fixed, or it can get better. Who knows? Okay, now let's get to the deal that we talked about in the previous video. And that is trying to do a triple dip on the P&G deal. Now we've got this earn $20 off of a $25 purchase 3 times. Now the coupon says it takes 24 hours in between purchases. Well, this coupon is also glitching. Yes, we've got reports of people making 3 purchases yesterday and already receiving their earn, okay? Their 2001. Yes, that is a winner deal right there. So you don't have to do this with 24 hours apart. That's why mine says 2 of 3. Because I got credited for 2 yesterday. Even though I did 3, I got credited for 2. Which is great. Now, my thought is if we do $25, because you have to do $25 transaction out of pocket, okay? And we do $20 in Procter & Gamble products. Oh, 25 actually, because we've got to fulfill this part of it. That we could double dip in on this deal. Because we're going to have coupons. We're going to have our cash back from PG. We're going to get this part of your earn $20. So, yeah, this is a really good deal. And it's my understanding that ShopMium is also glitching on some of these items as well. So go to ShopMium and claim your offers of those items that you're going to be using and give it a try. So let's talk about what you're going to be using for that deal. This first deal is going to be pretty long. Okay, first off, you're going to have one or both of these clipped. Now, if you do have both of these clipped, like I done without thinking about it, then you're going to get the $3 back first, okay? And then you'll have to do another transaction of the spend 20. So we're going to pick up that glitching Dawn, guys. And it is glitching like this. You're going to pick up 2 of the refills instead of unless you don't have the sprayer, of course. If you've got one, to just pick up 2 of the refills. And you're going to save $3.99. That's a really good deal. We're going to pick up a Febreze fabric spray. Again, another really good deal. Now, we're also going to pick up 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. And I don't have that to show you on this account because I've used them already. We're going to use this 50-cent off Bounty paper towels on the $5 Bounty. We're going to use this $2 Febreze Air Care. We're going to pick up an Unstoppable spray for $4.50. And then we're going to get a $4 small space for free. Well, it's not for free. You get $3.25 off of it. It says for free. Up to $3.25. Okay. But it's only showing the $4 Febreze small space attaching to the coupon. So, you're going to pick up a $4 Febreze small space and a $4.50 Febreze spray, and you're going to get $3.25 off. Okay, your next thing you're going to pick up is the Olay body wash. If you have a $3 coupon off for the 18, 20, or 26 ounce, there is also a $2 coupon out there. Now, it's attaching to the Olay Moisture Ribbons plus Shea and Peony Blossom. That's $7, making that $4 out of pocket. Next, we're going to pick up some Always pads. You got a couple of different coupons for the Always discreet pads. You got the $4 off, and it is working on the $6.50. It is also working on the $3.25 liners. I've got $6.50 on the deal because it gets you where you need to be. And of course, if you need these products, well, you know, you want to use them anyway. And then we're going to pick up a $5 thing of Charmin, and we've got a 50-cent coupon for that. So let's look at all the math for that and see where we end up at. Okay, we've got your 2 Dawn refills at $9 with $3.99 coming off. The 2 Oral-B toothbrushes, or you can do the Scope toothpaste if they don't have the toothbrushes. Now, this is just going to be free product if you're in a newer operating system store, by the way. Overage if you're not. The Febreze fabric for $4.25. Your Febreze spray for $4.25. Your Febreze Unstoppable spray for $4.50, and your small space for $4. Total of $8.50. You're gonna get $3.25 off of that. A Bounty paper towel for $5, 50 cents off of that. That's the essentials, by the way, the Bounty essentials. Your Olay ribbon body wash, $7, $3 off of that. Always pads for $6.50, $4 off of that. And then Charmin for $5.50 off of that. Now you're at $51.50, but look at your savings. You're saving $22.54. Now that's a winner, chicken dinner kind of deal. And like I said, you're at $28 out of pocket here. Okay? Now this deal is to help you towards that $20 earn, as well as giving you your $5 off on your next purchase of your P&G products. Okay? Couldn't find any of these with earns on them. Otherwise, it'd be even better. But your bottom line walking out of the store is going to be $23.96, and that's with getting your $5 cash back, okay? Now, it's going to be $28.96 actual cash money out of your pocket. But you're looking at $1.99 for each item, and that is, to me, a winner, chicken dinner kind of deal, guys, considering the price of everything on there. So, blessings. And we'll talk again real soon, because we got more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information. And if you have a question, just leave it in the comments. I do read the comments, and I do try to answer all your questions.